So continuing on with the theme of tuck stitch, we are now doing some multicolor tuck stitch. So much to explore here, whether you are just working with two colors or the more complex multicolored tuck stitches. Really some very interesting effects to be had and unexpected results based on where you change color and how the tuck stitch hides colors behind the face fabric, so you get these crazy results from just doing horizontal striping. Again, this book has lots of ideas for multicolor tuck stitches if you want to punch out your own punch cards. That was one of our videos from the patterning class at the Knitting School. To find out more or to take the whole class, go to www.theknittingschool.online.